The trenches were a world of mud and misery. Christmas Eve, 1914. Bitter cold gripped the Western Front. Snow lay thick on the ground, a blanket over the horrors beneath. British and German soldiers huddled in their trenches just yards apart. Enemies they were, yet tonight they shared the same cold, the same longing for home. Days before, the fighting had been fierce. Now an eerie silence hung in the air, broken only by the wind whistling through the barbed wire. The soldiers thought of home, of families gathered by warm fires. Christmas carols, they imagined them, sung by loved ones far away. The thought brought little comfort. From the German trenches, a sound, at first just a murmur, then clear and strong, a voice singing, Stille Nacht, Heilige Nacht, Silent Night. The British soldiers listened, astonished. A German soldier holding a small Christmas tree lit with candles climbed out of his trench. He walked into no man's land. Fear and suspicion hung in the air. Was this a trick? The German soldier beckoned them forward. One British soldier, a young private named Jim, felt a surge of hope. He climbed out of the trench, hands raised in a gesture of peace. He walked towards the German soldier. Other soldiers followed. Soon dozens of men stood in no man's land. British and German, they shook hands, exchanged cigarettes. They showed each other pictures of loved ones back home. They sang carols. The truce, it seemed, was real. For a brief time, the war was forgotten. They played football on the frozen ground, using a makeshift ball. They shared stories, laughed together. Enemies, yes, but also fellow men united by a shared humanity. The Christmas truce, born in the trenches, spread along the front lines. In many places, the guns fell silent. The truce couldn't last. Orders came from high command. The fighting resumed. The war went on. But for those who were there, the Christmas truce of 1914 remained a powerful memory, a testament to the human spirit. The war, it took so much, but it could not extinguish the hope that flickered in the trenches that Christmas. A hope that even in the darkest of times, peace is possible, that humanity can shine through, even amidst the horrors of war.